From battling jet lag to improving your mood, the benefits of drinking water and staying hydrated are endless. And while we all love traveling, it's really easy to get dehydrated if we're not careful. Whether you're backpacking through Europe or hopping on a plane to experience one of Austria's greatest ski resorts, you need to have easy access to a quality water bottle. There are many products available to choose from. Best travel water bottle, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best travel water bottle from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Thermos Intac Hydration Bottle. For those who prefer plastic bottles, the Thermos Intac Hydration Bottle stands out on the list of top-rated water bottles. As soon as you get it, you'll notice it was designed with practicality and convenience in mind. The textured design makes it easy to grip, and the rotating meter allows you to keep track of your water intake. Another benefit to this bottle is that because it only weighs 6.4 ounces, it's one of the best travel water bottles for all of your adventures, from backpacking in Honduras to exploring the best of New York City. There's a lot to love about this leak-proof water bottle. Number 2. Naumator Collapsible Water Bottle. One of the best water bottle brands in the business, presents a premium bottle that makes traveling the world easier. This collapsible bottle rolls up to easily attach to your bag or around your wrist when not in use, but when you are using it, the shatterproof silicone won't collapse in your hand. The company's founder, Brian, was determined to create an excellent bottle that can go with you through all of your favorite adventures, so the bottle is able to hold cold and hot liquids, and it's heat-resistant, freezable, and dishwasher-safe. The protective grip makes it easy to hold, and of course, the bottle is leak-proof and hygienic. A great bottle for hiking, camping, and city sightseeing. You can't go wrong with the Naumator Collapsible Water Bottle. Number 3. Life Factory BPA-free Glass Water Bottle. Underneath the colorful yet protective silicone is the best glass water bottle available. While it's a bit heavier than stainless and plastic bottles, you're guaranteed not to encounter any leftover smells or tastes. The bottle is surprisingly durable, so while you may not want to put it in your carry-on luggage, don't hesitate to take it with you on your Croatian road trip or anywhere else your travels take you. The bottle is BPA-free and phthalate-free, and its wide opening means that adding fruit to make flavored water or ice cubes is a breeze. If you're a lover of glass bottles or just want to try one out, this 22-ounce bottle is the one for you. Number 4. Hydro Flask Insulated Stainless Steel Water Bottle. Created with the 18/8 food-grade stainless steel, this bottle is built to last. One of the best water bottles for hiking, you can be confident that it will stay with you throughout all of your adventures. Its innovative temp shield insulation means you can enjoy your hot drinks for up to 6 hours, and your cold drinks for up to 24. Whether you're wearing gloves while experiencing Iceland or your hands are wet after taking a swim in Jamaica's Reach Falls, the powder coating on the Hydro Flask insulated stainless steel water bottle means that it's easy to grip and it won't sweat. Among the top water bottles you'll find, anyone who is always on the go will absolutely love this bottle. Number 5. IG Bottle Collapsible Silicone Water Bottle. Not only is this the best collapsible water bottle on the market, but you contribute to a great cause when you buy the bottle. These bottles are convenient and fun, and a portion of the profits go toward dolphin rescue and protection programs. These are really good water bottles for all types of travel, because they can be rolled up and laid flat when you're not using them, so they barely take up any space. The dishwasher-safe water bottle is super lightweight at only 4.8 ounces, and it's freezable, so you can enjoy cold drinks throughout the day. If you need the best water bottle for hiking, this is a great option because of its weight and versatility. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.